In this video, I'm going to show you how to snipe insider meme coins like a pro with Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check it out. Now, once you have your Axiom account, we're gonna use a feature on here which is actually great when you're trying to snipe insider meme coins, and if I go over here to polls, you will see you have these filters over here next to new pairs, final stretch, and then the migrated coins. And you can click pretty much anywhere on these filters, so for example here, and you can set all these filters, and that way you can basically snipe insider meme coins a bit easier. So let me just show you what my filters are over here and what I like to use, but I have to of course first say that I am not a financial advisor because I truly am not. I'm just trying to show you what I like to do and what I found out helps me when trying to find insider meme coins, but of course you can change anything and do not take any of this as financial advice because as I said, that's just what I use. You can do it if you want to, but if you want to change it, you are perfectly allowed to. So let's first go to new pairs because that's really where most of these insider meme coins can be found most of the time. Some can be in the final stretch, but mostly you'll find them under new pairs. So under protocols, what I like to do is leave pump on, so just pump fun, and I like to disable radium and moonshot. And then in the keywords, I usually don't put anything, and the B curve percentage, I leave it as it is, so blank. And then in here, in the inside age, so where you have age, I like to put the maximum of 30 minutes because I just found that works pretty well. Sometimes you can even do maybe 20 or like 45 at max, but I wouldn't do more than that. I usually just put it at 30. Now, if I go down here, insider percentage, I would put max 20. And then the bundle, I put around 35, so you can put even 50 or anywhere from 30 to 50 really, but I like to have it at 35 to 40 most of the time. Now, after this, I like to go to metrics, and inside metrics, I like to make the market cap the minimum of 10,000, so 10 grand, and then the max at 40 grand. So I wouldn't go higher than that, and even lower than that. I would just put it like it is over here. And then under socials, and that's what I like to do as well, under Twitter reuses, I like to simply put max 1, and then I like to mark website and Telegram over here, because I just found that I filter it out the best way if I do that. And then I just click apply all. And after this, you'll see that there will be a very little amount of coins in here. So as you can see currently, there's only one right now, which just got created 30 minutes ago. And yeah, it's not gonna keep spamming. You're gonna have to wait a bit and then you'll be able to see different coins. But of course, before you buy, you should of course, check out the coin, see if it's actually legit, check all your other metrics when you're buying, and of course buy at your own risk, because 99.9% of the coins will always and still be scams, so make sure you are careful what you are doing. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.